don't know how to send it on YouTube here. Maybe I have to upload it on the platform, and then it's going to be more complicated. So it's easy to do it on WhatsApp. Guys, there are two things that I'm about to say in this video, and this is the business model itself. The business model is all about, one, you go on a platform and it's with as little as 100 euros start capital. 100 euros around 65,000 francs CFA. And let us break down the 65,000 francs CFA. The first thing you're going to do is to, first of all, inside this list, because I will show you all the proof that these products can really work in your market, no matter where you're listening from. The first thing, let's say we have 100,000 francs CFA. 100,000 francs CFA, which is the equivalent, 100,000 francs CFA, if that's the start capital you're having, is super. If that's not the start capital you're having, let's assume for those of you who had only 100 euros, that is 60,000 francs CFA. But for the bigger case, let us start with the 100,000 francs CFA, meaning you can partner with one of your friends and you guys can do this thing together so that you can have more results very easily. The first thing is starting with 100,000 francs CFA, which is 153 euros capital. One, you need to take some time to figure out exactly what kind of product you want to sell, because that is where the money is going to be made.